Hey everyone, we've got a big round of updates to share for October, all focused on making Supademo more flexible, easier to use, and even more powerful for your teams. Here's what's new this month. We'll start with one of the biggest additions, demo hubs. Traditionally, in-app product tours have been a bit frustrating. They tend to pop up at the wrong time, block your view, and force you through steps you don't actually need. Demo hubs changes that by putting control back in the hands of your users. You can now set up a searchable in-app widget that only allows demos relevant to where someone is inside your product, whether that's a specific page, feature, or button they've clicked. This makes demo hubs perfect for onboarding, training, and continuous product enablement because users can get the exact help they need right where they are. Over time, that means smoother onboarding, faster product adoption, and fewer support tickets. Next, we've rolled out external commenting, a simple but powerful way for people watching your demos to share feedback directly. If you've embedded a Supa demo into, say, some support documentation or maybe a help center, viewers can now leave comments on specific parts of that demo, whether they liked it, found a step confusing, or maybe noticed that something might be outdated. It's a direct feedback loop that helps your team quickly understand how viewers are engaging with your demos and where they might need to make updates or improvements, all without extra tools or back and forth messages. We've also made Supademo more flexible with the ability to mix and match HTML and non-HTML steps within a single demo. Previously, you had to pick one or the other. HTML gave you this pixel-perfect interactive replica of your product, but you couldn't include mobile workflows or recorded videos. Non-HTML demos allowed that flexibility, but they weren't interactive in the same way. Now you can combine both. You can merge HTML and non-HTML demos into one seamless experience showing different workflows like web and mobile side by side in a single unified demo. We've also introduced a completely redesigned Translations Hub, making it faster and easier to manage multilingual demos. It's now simpler to translate, review, and organize your content. And we've expanded support to more than 50 languages, including region-specific versions like French Canadian, Brazilian Portuguese, or Mexican Spanish. Whether you're creating customer-facing demos for international audiences or internal training across regions, your content now feels more natural and local everywhere it's viewed. On top of that, we've improved the mobile viewing experience. Demos now display in a larger, clearer window, especially useful for anyone showcasing Supa demos on a tablet, say at a conference or trade show. This update makes demos easier to view and follow in person, creating this more professional, polished experience wherever you're presenting live. For enterprise customers, we've also added multi-region data storage, giving you full control over where your demo data lives. This improves performance for global teams and helps ensure compliance with regional data privacy requirements. We've also made it easier to stay organized with improved folder management. You can now drag and drop multiple assets at once, making it faster to sort and manage your demos as your workspace grows. It's a small update, but one that makes a big difference day to day. And finally, we have made a huge leap forward with AI text generation for chapters and hotspots. Creating demos is now faster than ever. You can simply click through any product or workflow just like before. While you're recording, Supademo AI quietly analyzes your actions in the background. When you're finished, it automatically builds a hyper-personalized demo complete with a custom title and branded chapters, along with relevant contextual tooltips for each step. You now can go from idea to a fully shareable, high-quality demo in under 2 minutes, saving tons of time on setup and structure before you start refining or personalizing your content. And that's everything we've got for October. You can learn more about each of these product updates in our product update blog and docs linked below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month with even more ways to help you create demos that teach, engage, and convert.